Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Charm at gumagawa po ako ng iba't ibang video tutorials dito sa aking channel. So, if interested ka sa mga ganitong klase ng content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and pakihit na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka once na nag-upload tayo ng bagong video. So, let's start! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's episode guys, ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung bakit ni-launch ni Facebook itong Facebook Reels. So, may magandang pasabog si Facebook ngayon. At kung gusto nyo malaman, wag kayong aalis at panoorin yung video na to hanggang dulo. Alam niyo ba guys na pwede kayong kumita sa pamamagitan lamang ng pag-create ng Facebook Reels? What? Oo, tamang narinig nyo guys. Pwede kayong kumita ng $35,000 gamit lamang ang Facebook Reels. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, si YouTube ay may YouTube Shorts, si IG ay may IG Reels, at ang TikTok ay mayroong mga short videos. At dahil napansin ni Facebook na maraming gumagamit at nagke-create ng mga ganitong content o short videos, ay naisipan niyang makipagkompetensya kay TikTok, YouTube, at IG. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, si TikTok ay sobrang nag-boom ngayon. So, naisip ni Facebook na kung hindi niya pwedeng bilhin si TikTok, ay gagawa siya ng paraan para makipagkompetensya dito. Kaya nilaunch niya si Facebook Reels. So, ibig sabihin guys, si Facebook Reels ay tulad lang din ni TikTok at ni YouTube, which is short videos lang. Tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, there's a lot of people consuming to this kind of content. Kaya naman, si Facebook ay naglagay ng multi-million-dollar fund dito to encourage people to create Facebook Reels. Oh, ayan guys, Facebook is throwing a lot of money, kaya wag kayong magpapahuli. Okay, so ngayon ay puntahan naman natin yung announcement na ginawa ni Facebook last February 22. So, check natin ngayon. Okay guys, so puntahan na natin. So, itong Meta for Creators. Okay, so, unlock your creativity with Reels on Facebook. So, ito yung announcement nila last February 22, 2022. So, Facebook Reels is now available in more than 150 countries around the world. So, isa na tayo dun guys. Dati kasi hindi tayo kasama dun. Okay, so we're launching Reels on Facebook for iOS and Android. Here's more info on this exciting new format, what you can create with it, and how you can potentially earn money. So yan guys, you can really earn money by just creating Facebook Reels. So what are Reels on Facebook? So Reels are fun and inspiring short videos consisting of music, audio, AR effects, text overlays, and more. And you can now create them on the Facebook app on your mobile device. Your Reels are shared directly to your fans in their core newsfeed and to new audiences in a dedicated Reels section in newsfeed that gives people who are new to you the opportunity to discover and enjoy your creation. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, pag nag-a-upload kayo ng Facebook Reels, nakikita nyo yung mga Reels ng iba, diba? So, yan. Okay, so, with Reels, you can get creative. So, yan. Tulad nga kanina, diba, sabi meron tong mga audio, may mga overlays. So, be creative. Ayan, so, meron mga effects. And may timer. Parang 30 seconds lang ito. Then, reach new audiences. Yan, yung mga followers nyo. And stand out. Here are some tips to help you stand out from the crowd, which can help your Reels get discovered by more people. So, make your Reels relatable. So, yan. Basahin nyo na lang yan guys para magkaroon kayo ng ideya. Engage your audiences. Tell a story. So, yan yung mga gusto ng mga, mga viewers, di ba? Yung nagte-tell ka ng story. And inspire others. So, encourage others to join the fun by creating their own reel with a simple challenge a cultural moment or a relatable everyday motion of life. So, di ba nakikita nyo sa TikTok, may mga challenge. So, yan. Yung iba, ina-accept yung mga challenge na yan. So, kung makikita nyo, ang dami. And, ito yung pinakamagandang part. Earn money. So, last July, in-announce ni Facebook na nag-invest sila ng over $1 billion in creators across Facebook and Instagram through 2020. So, yan. Starting today, we are offering Reels Play new bonus program on Facebook and Instagram that allow you to earn money for the Reels you share. Ibig sabihin, guys, meron silang bonus program. So, dun kayo kikita. And, alam nyo ba, guys, na madali nyo lang ma-hit yan, yung kanilang requirements. Kasi, eto. Reels Play on Facebook will pay a bonus to eligible Facebook creators whose Reels get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. So, dapat guys, yung video nyo ay hindi bababa ng 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. Ibig sabihin guys, kapag na-hit ninyo itong kanilang requirement na ito, pwedeng-pwede na kayong mag-join dun sa bonus program. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-apply. Katulad ng YouTube na pwede tayo mag-apply once na-hit na natin yung requirement. So, dito guys, magno-notif lang sila telling you na kasama ka doon sa program. Okay, so, ibig sabihin sila talaga yung pipili kung pwede ka. So, hanggat maaga, mag-upload na kayo, start uploading Facebook Reels. Kasi, itong si Facebook, gusto niyang makipag-compete kay TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Kasi nga, pinupush nila yung algorithm to get more engagement and reach para makita ng buong mundo. Kaya, tinapatan ni Facebook si TikTok at si YouTube. Okay, so, tulad na sinasabi ko kanina, ayan, the Reels Play on Facebook bonus program is currently invite only. So, sila lang talaga yung pipili kung bibigyan ka nila or pwede ka, eligible ka dun sa kanilang bonus program. Creators who are invited will be notified in the Facebook app and in Creator Studio and can sign up to learn more. Hindi to guys pwede sa mga personal account. Okay? So, pwede lang siya sa mga pages. So, mag-create kayo ng Facebook page. Then, mag-invite kayo ng mga friends nyo para meron kayong mga followers. Then, start uploading Facebook Reels. Kung mahilig kayong gumawa ng mga videos, then i-upload nyo, malay nyo, di ba? 1,000 views lang naman. O, malay nyo, isa kayo dun sa ma-invite ni Facebook para dun sa bonus program nila. So, yun lang guys. And I hope may natutunan kayo today. So, huwag na kayo magpahuli guys. Start uploading now. Bye-bye!